National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for Harrison County in southeastern Mississippi until 6 o'clock in Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornado was located over Lyman, or 7 miles west of Gulfport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Gulfport, Lyman, and Biloxi around 5:15 a.m. CDT. Other locations impacted a tornadic thunderstorm include Gulfport Airport. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to the basement or interior room on the lowest floor with sturdy building.
Created using Powtoon.